Hey guys, just want to come do a quick video of my 1996 Ibanez talman. It is loaded with the Lambertone pickup set. It has a Crema in the neck and a grinder in the bridge. Super versatile pickups. So yeah, just wanted to come give you a quick demo. I am playing through my Kemper, through a Tone Junkie Matchless Chieftain profile. I have a Cali 76 Deluxe compressor, as always on. And throughout the video I'll turn on my Matthews effects, the Architect. I have a Mezzo effects blue I'll probably throw in there, and I also have a 1981 DRV Invention that I will put in there too. So here is my Crema neck clean. The middle position, which would be Crema neck and grinder bridge combined. And then here is the grinder bridge. Let's add in a little bit of the gain. This is my first stage Matthews Effects Architect. I'm back on the Crema neck solo. Middle position. That's what happens when you go unscripted. Alright, here is the bridge, grinder bridge. Love that because it's really like having 3 gain stages within the guitar itself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you also the coil tap. I have mine set up for coil tap. So here is the Crema bridge, not coil tap, full humbucker. So. Here is middle position, full on uncoil tapped. Grinder, full grinder. Coil tapped. So generally the grinder I only kick on for leads and stuff. I mostly live in middle position with both Crema and grinder, and you can get some really nice tones out of that. So here's a little bit more of an ambient tone, so I can remember how to play it. That was middle. Here is just the neck. Grinder bridge. That's brief overview. Definitely one of my favorite guitars, one of the most versatile guitars. Can pretty much cover any ground that I need. So highly recommend Lambertones. Curtis does amazing work there. So not only are you supporting a great company, but you're getting an outstanding product. So.